Spanish flag general cargo Cabotage ship owner. Spain found America because we are closer. That means that we are the strategic meeting point. This is a transparency, environment, social governance issue, goodwill for your company, long-term intrinsic value, and corporate social responsibility investment that will have a return, let's say 10-1, because if we invest in a local talent European crew, and the Spanish flag is one of the key issues, then we can have a saving. Let's say if we have an ASEAN crew joining your container ships, general cargo ships trading around the Cabotage, Spain and Europe. Let's say it is something like 20% ship's budget. So if we have, let's say, a general cargo and the total budget is 1 million, I believe around 50, perhaps 50,000, 70,000 US dollars, or a chemical tanker 1.5, then let's say $70,000 will be the travel. But how about the 300 Spanish cadets we can employ? Is this a very good action? If you are a ship owner based in America or based in Europe, invest in your future talent, your future directors and fleet managers and CEOs and vice presidents. Then how about investing in the rest of the crew, Spanish flag? Well, then you need to change the language. It's not complicated. Hola, buenos dias. Everybody speaks Spanish nowadays, and if we have this saving 70,000 euros for this container ship, chemical ship approx, then we can invest that in the top 4, having 1-1 basis. No other company has that, and the biggest advantage is not 50% income tax deduction for the seafarers and the 90% for ship owner employer social security from 27 to 2.7%. No, it's not 90% the grant of the profit of the company from 24 to 2.4. Nah, the biggest competitive advantage of the Spanish flag is that no one realizes, and even much better than Belgium, Dutch, Italian, French, D's, G's, all these European flags, is that it has a 50% deduction of their retirement rate. That means that if seafarers are employed 25 years, accounts as if 50. So they can retire at 50 years of age, and then that means that we can have a talent retention. How much we can value that intrinsic value talent retention today? Ship owner, if you do have ships trading around Europe, now you have this war in Iran, the inflation, and then the price of jet fuel and blah, blah, blah. But the question is, do you really want to invest in your long-term goodwill, talent retention, make your company strong, invest local crew, invest the Spanish flag. No one will do nothing for them, even the Spanish administration. You see so many different, so complicated, so much bureaucracy. What? Today, it is very, very competitive. You're talking about container ships, general cargo, bunker, chemical, LNG bunker, all the ships trading around the Cabotage and around Europe and Spain, which is 50% of the world fleet. Be the first one, and let's work 200, 300 ships today for you, ship owner. This is a huge emissions saving, and it's a very good ecological and very good ESG policy. Thank you. Bye.